In this video, you'll learn how to fix Fall Guys not launching. This can be a frustrating issue, but with the help of this video, you'll be able to get your game up and running in no time. So I will be walking you through 3 different methods to fix this issue. So the first method is to change the launcher compatibility settings and also give it administrator privileges. So to do that, open up your File Explorer and then click on Local Disk C on the left side of the screen. Then when you are on your C drive, double-click on Program Files x86 and then find the Epic Games folder and double-click to open it up. And then double-click on the Launcher folder. After that, click on Portal. And then double-click on the Binaries folder. And then Win64. So now you have to find the Epic Games Launcher.exe. So scroll down and once you find it, right-click on it. And it will show you a bunch of options. So from these options, click on Properties, and then click on the Compatibility tab. So now what you want to do is tick Run this program in compatibility mode 4 and then you want to select Windows 8. After that, tick Run this program as an administrator and then click Apply. And then click OK to close this settings pop-up. And you want to do the same thing for the game exe. So, when you're on the C drive, double-click the Program Files folder and then go over to the Epic Games folder. Double-click the Fall Guys folder. Then right-click on Fall Guys EAC Launcher.exe. And then click on Properties. And then click on Compatibility. And tick this Run this program in compatibility mode 4 and then select Windows 8. After that, tick Run this program as an administrator and then click Apply. And then click OK to close it. So now you can open up your game and check to see if it fixed the issue. If it didn't fix your issue, let's move on to the second solution. So the second solution is to verify the Fall Guys game files. So to do that, open up your Epic Games Launcher and then click on the Library option on the left side of the screen. After that, find Fall Guys, and then right next to the game name, click on these 3 dots. And it will show you a bunch of options. So from these options, click on Verify, and it will verify the game files for you. After that's done, open up the game and see whether it fixed your issue. If you still have that issue, let's move on to the third and final option. So the last thing that you can do to fix this issue is to exclude Fall Guys from your antivirus program. So this process might be different depending on what type of antivirus program you use, but I will show you how to do this in Windows Defender. So first you need the Fall Guys game file location, so open up your File Explorer. Click on Local Disk C. And then when you are on the C drive, double-click the Program Files folder and then go over to the Epic Games folder. Double-click on the Fall Guys folder. And then when you are in the game folder, click on this bar over here and then right-click on this highlighted text and click on Copy. And now close this window. Move your cursor all the way to the bottom left corner and click the Windows icon. Open your settings and once there, click on Update and Security, then Windows Security, then Virus and Threat Protection. Then scroll down a little and click Manage Settings. And then when you are on this screen, scroll down and under Exclusions, click on Add or Remove Exclusions. And then click Add an exclusion. After that, click on Folder. And you want to click on this bar over here. You want to paste in the Fall Guys location and then click on Select Folder. And now the Fall Guys folder will be added to your antivirus's exclusion list. So that's it for this video. I am pretty confident one of these will fix your issue. If it did, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more helpful videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.